In this video, I will be showing you how to use Gamma AI to create a professional memo or brief. Let's get started. First, I click the Create New AI button on the dashboard and select the Generate option. Since I'm creating a memo, I'll click on Document. I want this to be brief, so I'll adjust the card length from 10 down to 5. Now, I'll type my prompt into the field requesting a professional executive memo on the implementation of autonomous AI agents. Once I'm satisfied, I click Generate Outline. I'll quickly review the suggested sections to make sure they cover the market landscape, strategic framework, and rollout phases. Next, I'll head down to the customization settings. I'll keep the text amount set to concise and select the ash theme for a clean, professional look. I click Generate and watch as the AI starts building the document instantly. It handles all the writing for the executive summary and implementation plan in real time, organizing everything into a polished layout. Once the generation is finished, I click the Share button at the top, go to Export, and choose Export to PDF. I'll wait for it to process, then download and open the file to review the final result. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using Gamma AI to create a memo or brief.